truck, racing so bright, blazing through streets with